So my reviews of the carbon fiber parts from Anderson Composites. So this piece up here doesn't fit too great. It sits high here, a little more flush on the middle part, and then this top part, you can hear it like it's loose. The bottom piece here fits great, no issues. Looks like a factory piece, fits like a factory piece. The carbon looks a little different, even though I know it's not, than this piece. You can see this looks pretty clear. This to me looks a little more foggy, if that makes sense. The side rockers, they fit good. These pieces, like three of them fit pretty good. They're just short, so they sit flush here, but here they're short. You can see how much shorter they are than the factory wide body extensions. Same for this one. This one sits further in. It's short on this side, sits flush here. You gotta give. It's either gotta be up here or too far back, but if you put it too far back, you're gonna see the gap. There's a hole in here, you'll see it. The rear diffuser, perfect, no issues as far as fitment. It doesn't make sense why you gotta buy these separate from this. Doesn't make sense to me. You didn't have to buy the extensions here separate from this. I had to drill all of these holes to make them fit the rear sensors. Had to make all those holes bigger. The top piece up here fits, no modifications. It fit fine. Would be good, nice to have this piece available at some point. What else? I had to pretty much on every mount that was on the rockers, I had to modify to make it bigger. I had to modify this a good amount to make that fit. Like, it was confusing to me, but no instructions. I had to cut the factory plastic out to fill that gap out of the factory grill. I'll post those pictures up. So otherwise you'd have about a ½ inch gap between the headlights and the bezel here. So I had to fill that with the factory plastic. Otherwise, good.